Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the process of uploading a receipt into Construction Online. Now, to begin the process of uploading a receipt into Construction Online, we'll first need to access the OnCost Purchasing feature, and that can be done from one or two locations. We can either go into the Financials tool at the company level, click on the Purchasing feature, and then we can move over into the Expenses and Receipts. And from here, we can create a new receipt or upload a receipt within the system. The other location that we can go to is at the project level. So I'm going to click into a project here. Then we can go through the same process of going to Financials, Purchasing, and then the Expenses and Receipts. Now, once we are here and we are ready to create a new receipt or upload a new receipt, we will just hit Create New. And we can do a receipt from scratch or receipt from an image. Now, if we do it from scratch, we would have to manually load in an image later, or we don't have to in that portion there. Now, I am going to choose to create a receipt from an image. And in doing so, it's going to prompt me to choose where I want to pull that image from, whether it's from my computer, if we've already saved it in Construction Online, or we have it in our cloud file storage. I can also drag and drop my image over, which is what I'm going to do here. Now, once that has processed, it will pull that image over. The title of the receipt will default to the image name inside of your computer. So if I wanted to change this, I might rechange the title to Home Depot receipt. Then I can scroll past the image, and now I can start to lay out the information that goes into it. So I can do one of two things. I can either do a detailed receipt, which is what I'm going to do today, or I can just do a lump sum receipt and just put the overall total in. Now, if we want to do a detailed receipt, all I have to do is type the information in. Now, once I have typed my items in, I can adjust the quantities for these items, which currently in this receipt, they are all at a 1 quantity. And then I can go in and type in the unit cost for each item. Now, once we have included our quantity and our unit cost, it will do a subtotal for us, and then we can apply our taxes. Now, we do have two options for including our taxes in this item or in this receipt. We can either do so by, if we know our tax rate, we can put the exact percentage in on this tax rate, or I can put in the value that the taxes was on this receipt. Now, once we've typed in the value, if we went that route, it will retroactively put the tax percentage in this field over here. Then once we've filled in our receipt details, we can come below, include the sub or vendor that we would want. Now, this is going to pull from our contact list in Construction Online. I can select the status of this receipt. I'm going to put it as complete. I can include any additional notes, and then below that, I can apply any tags or trade options that I would like to as well. Now, if we were to do this receipt from scratch, that option would be almost identical, except the option to include an image would not be presented at the very beginning. It would be something that we would have to do later. Now that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.